Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear your cache on Google Chrome in Windows 11. This process helps speed up your browser and fix loading issues you might be experiencing, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu button. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab where you can manage all sorts of browser preferences and configurations. The Settings page is your control center for customizing how Chrome works. Now, on the left side of the Settings page, you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options. Look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data, cookies, and other privacy-related features. It's where Chrome keeps everything related to your online safety and stored information. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option that says Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option to proceed. This is the feature that allows you to remove various types of stored information from your browser, including your cache, which can help resolve performance issues and free up space. Once the Delete Browsing Data window opens, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top labeled Time Range. Click on this drop-down to select how far back you want to clear your cache. You can choose options like the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Select the time range that best fits your needs. Now, below the time range selector, you'll see several checkboxes for different types of data. For clearing your cache specifically, you want to make sure only two boxes are checked. First, check the box next to cookies and other site data. Then check the box next to cached images and files. Make sure any other boxes are unchecked, as we only want to clear these two types of data right now. These two items are what typically cause slowdowns and loading problems in Chrome. Once you've verified that only those two checkboxes are selected, click the Delete Data button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will now begin removing the cached files and cookies from your browser. Depending on how much data is stored, this might take a few seconds to complete, so give it a moment to finish processing. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Chrome cache, which should help your browser run faster and resolve any loading issues you are experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.